Hi, this is Rick Siegel from Aurora Multimedia, and welcome to InfoComm 2013. What I'd like to talk about today is a concept called One Room, One Cable. It's a new platform that Aurora is introducing here at InfoComm, and let's begin. So it all centers around HD-based at the core. And what we just released and started shipping in May is our new wall plate, the DXW2. The DXW2 has an HDMI input and also a VGA input that can also take composite and component video. The analog input is actually converted to HDMI right at the wall plate, and then both signals are switched internally and then go out over an HD-based to a receiver module, which would be up at the display and then all broken out. And the beautiful thing about HD-based is it truly combines the two core competencies of Aurora Multimedia, the control side and the HD video. So we have three different versions of this. We have the DXW2, which has the VGA and the HDMI. These auto select, so when I hot plug in, it'll select. There's also an audio input to embed the audio onto that HD-based signal. We also have an audio input on the HDMI side, so if you're using an older computer with a DVI output, it'll accept the audio as well. The IR will take any remote, it's an IR receiver, it'll embed it on the HD-based signal, bring it to the receiver, and then out to control the projector. If you're using an HD-based projector, then it's simple as just using the wall plate directly to that projector, and then that's your solution right there. You wouldn't even have to control the inputs of the projector since these auto-select, or you can use the push-button controllers to override the auto-detect. What we're also introducing here at the show is the new DXB-8 button panel. This is a low-cost 232 output 8-button panel that's totally configurable and programmable. The buttons are laser etched and they're all backlit, so with tri-colored LEDs that are fully programmable within the keypad. The keypad has two RS-232 outputs, and what it does is one of the 232s mates with the wall plate, gets its power from the wall plate over to here, and then those buttons will control the wall plate, but it'll also pass through the HD-based over to the receiver module and out to control the projector via RS-232. So you're starting to see the philosophy here. We're starting to embed the control, the AV, over one cable up to the projector through the receiver or directly to the projector with HD-based. To round out the line, we're introducing here a new receiver module, the DXE CAT RX3. What this receiver module does is it picks up where the RX2 left off. So the RX2 offers dual LAN connections with a PoE, proprietary PoE circuit, so no power supplies are required for the receiver or the wall plate. But what we did was in the RX3 was we added a balanced audio de-embedding output, so if you wanted to strip the audio off the HDMI, you can do that. There's also an audio input, two embedded relays that are controllable via serial up through the HD-based, and we also added a 2x20 watt amplifier. So now this totally completes the picture from the input, the control, up to the display, controlling the screen, controlling the projector, going out to the speakers, and to finish off the line, the icing on the cake, is the new SKR22T tile speaker, 2x2 tile speaker. It has 8 ohm, 4 ohm input, a 70 volt input, and a 100 volt input. So right now, one room, one cable. Input, control, amplifier, screen control, and speaker. One full system, one low cost, Aurora Multimedia. Thank you very much.